Students, in continuation with our topic of deriving the relation, today we will understand a new pattern question. How to derive a relation when fundamental quantities are changed. Okay. Generally we derive the formula of any quantity in terms of MLT. Okay. Okay. Any quantity X we always derive in form of MLT powers. But here we are given a different situation. It is written in the question that velocity of light c, gravitational constant g and frequency f, if they are chosen as the fundamental quantities, then derive the dimensional formula of mass in terms of these quantities. Okay, whose formula we have to derive, that is mass. Okay, now we say that mass dimensional formula is m1. Okay, but here we don't have to find the mass dimensional formula in terms of m itself. We have to find the dimensional formula of mass in terms of the given fundamental quantities. So C, G and F are the quantities which we have to write here on the right side. Okay, जिसका डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला डिराइव करना है वो यहाँ आएगा और जिस टर्म में डिराइव करना है वो यहाँ आएगा. Okay, as is the procedure. We will choose some powers a, b, c, but c is already here, so let us take the powers x, y, z. Okay, we say that this is proportional, and next step we generally apply mass is equal to k, c power x, g power y and f power z. Okay, so c, g, f with 3 powers we have written equal to mass. So we have to derive the formula of mass, okay, in terms of these quantities. So our target is to solve these powers. So remaining part of the question will remain same as we apply for deriving the relation. What we do, every quantity we replace by their dimensional formulas. Okay, so mass means m1, constant k ignored. Velocity, c is velocity. Velocity means L1 t power minus 1 power x. The gravitational constant capital G, its formula you can take from the table. M power minus 1 L3 t power minus 2 power y. Next is frequency. It's not force, it is written frequency. Frequency's dimensional formula is t power minus 1. So finally power z is also there. Now we have to arrange the complete expression in MLT sequence. So let us check now. We can do it directly also. M is here, its power is minus 1 into y minus y. Okay, L 1 into x is x, 3 into y is 3y. Okay, L is also taken t. T power from here minus x, from here minus 2y and from here minus z. What I have done? I have multiplied the powers. T power minus 1 into x. So t power minus x. From here minus 2y and from here minus z. Now here only m power 1 is there. So what to do? L0, T0 we have to write. Okay, so that we can compare the powers. Then our next step remains that we have to compare the powers. Okay, m power with m power, L power with L power and t power with t power. Let us compare m power minus y here, m power 1 here. That means minus y equal to 1. Okay, first equation is prepared. Minus y equal to 1. Second equation, x plus 3y equal to 0. Next expression, minus x minus 2y minus z equal to 0. Now we have to solve these three equations one by one. So y equal to minus 1, you can get the answer easily. Okay, then this y is substituted here so that x is obtained. So x plus 3y, y is minus 1. So x minus 3 0. That means x equal to 3. X is also solved. Then we have this equation so that we can solve z. We will substitute the values which we know. X value is 3 written here. Y value is minus 1 written here, and minus z. So this way, if z is shifted that side, it will become positive. Here minus 1 will come. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Z is shifted on another side. Let us put boxes on the final answers. So these are x, y, z answers. Last step is that we have to substitute in the relation of k. Okay, in this relation of mass. So always in this formula we will substitute the final powers. So answer is mass equal to k c power x. X means 3. G power y. Y means minus 1. And f power z means minus 1. So this way we have got the mass dimensional formula in terms of given quantities. Let us practice one more such question. Here time formula we have to derive in terms of gravitational acceleration, Planck's constant and density rho. We will take ABC powers k after removing proportional sign this way. So now the fundamental quantities are 1, 2, 3 quantities, and we have to derive the dimensional formula of time. Okay. So next step is the same. We replace each of the quantity by their dimensional formula. So L1 t power minus 2 power a. Now h is Planck's constant. Okay, so this I have written L1 t minus 2 for acceleration. H is m1 L2 t power minus 1. Okay, this is Planck's constant formula. Rho is density, so m1 L minus 3. Okay, these formulas you have to practice from that table. Okay, now one by one we will combine all the powers. K is ignored because it is constant. M power, finally we have B plus C. B from here, C from here. L power A plus 2B minus 3C. T power minus 2A from here, minus B, and here no power is there of T. Here we have M power 0, L power 0, T power 1. Let us make equations now, and we will solve these equations for getting ABC answers. First equation is B plus C 0. M powers are same. That's why. Next is A plus 2B minus 3C equal to 0. L powers compared. Now compare T powers. Minus 2A minus B equal to 1. Now we have to solve these three equations. Okay, let us start solving. How we will solve? We have this equation in AB term. Let us make this equation also in AB term. So C we should remove. C is equal to minus B. We will substitute in this equation. A plus 2B minus 3C. C की जगह हमें minus B लगाना है. So plus 3B आ जाएगा. So our first equation is A plus 5B equal to 0, and this we will solve with the third equation. Why? ये इक्वेशन ए बी में थी, तो ये भी इक्वेशन ए बी में ही चाहिए थी, इसलिए हमने यहाँ से सी को हटाया. किसकी हेल्प से? फर्स्ट की हेल्प से. ओके, सो दिस वे वी हैव गॉट द इक्वेशन. अब इनको कैसे सॉल्व करें? यहाँ माइनस 2a है, इसे भी 2 बनाए, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. Okay, I have multiplied this equation with 2. Second equation is the same. Let us add. So 9b equal to 1 we are getting. Finally b we are getting as 1 by 9. Okay, if I put b here, then c answer is minus b. So c answer is minus 1 by 9. Now a answer is left. We can do it this way. A plus 5b equal to 0. So a equal to minus 5b. So minus 5 by 9. So these are the powers obtained for this question.